Gun price guns are tools used to quickly and efficiently label and price products, are mostly used in the retail sector, such as supermarkets, clothing stores, or electronic stores, are made with a durable plastic body, and allow you to apply self-adhesive labels on the surfaces of the products. These labels generally contain the price of the product, as in this case, the barcode or other useful information at the point of sale. The operation of gun price guns is quite simple. You need to load the gun with the corresponding labels and place the label on the desired destination. After placing the label, the gun automatically invokes the next label to be applied. There are two types of label as well as the 26 by 12, which are presented with a curved side, and the 26 by 16 that can be either waveform laterally like these, or rectangular like this from example. These price labelers are available in different sizes, shapes, and models according to the specific needs of the business. Some models can also have custom printing functions, which allow you to create labels with specific information, such as product name or any promotions. Price labelers offer many advantages because they allow you to label your products accurately and professionally, thus speeding up the pricing process. They also significantly reduce the possibility of price errors because the labels are already pre-printed. Before being used, you need to go to change at the top the lettering or number through this wheel. There are two types of presses, that is, the standard one or the two print lines, for example with the lot above and the price below. In conclusion, offer a quick and easy way to apply labels, and are a convenient option to improve the organization and productivity of outlets.